Good morning, guys. I've just woken up and I've just had a delivery. Fuck off. Fuck off. Fuck off. Asshole. Fuck you, bastard. Try again. Sorry about that. So I've just woke up and I've had a special delivery, metallics. Guess what it is? I can't contain myself. It's two sliding door closers from Every. Are we ready, everyone? Are we ready, bruv, for this? Are we ready, brother? Oh, I'm so excited. I really am. Really excited. Really excited. I know one is a Dormer Caber and the other one is a Dormer Caber as well. And because I love the Dormer Caber that much with the other one on my front door, I ordered the other one in gold. I did. Take my address on. We don't want my address on it, my darlings. Sit down to my friend! I've been working out, bruv, recently. Do you like my body? It's alright, innit? It's alright. So excited. Here we go. We'll have a look at the first one. Oh my god. Wow. Jesus Christ almighty. Oh, look at this beauty. Another one? Dormer Caber. Doesn't she look lovely? Lovely. I got another one of these under my bed. Oh, doesn't she look absolutely beautiful, my darling? Welcome to my life. Mwah. Gosh, she looks absolutely fantastic. Fan-dabby dozy, my darling. She really does. Brand new, these are like cost you an absolute bomb, like £250. But I got two for £180, which weren't too bad. And I buy it off my regular door closers, the guy who I buy all my door closers off. Yeah. Come on, come out the packaging. I should be getting a delivery as well of, not this month because I decided to save my money on door closers. This was my last delivery. I saw these and I was like, you know, like when you see something, you just got to have it. I was like, I've got to have these. So I had them, unfortunately. So there was like 12 people watching it. I was like, you can feck off, I'm buying them, you bastard. Then I had somebody on eBay message me saying, excuse me, I was about to buy those. I was like, well, tough shit, bruv, innit? I bought them first, so you can feck off. I'm a door closer enthusiast, do you? Nobody! You're the shit at the bottom of my shoe, feck off! So yeah, I've got some lovely door closers, I'm so happy. So this is a Dormer Caber, hang on, TS92. And they're very expensive, I believe. But yeah, she's beautiful, my darlings. Lovely. What we got on this one? We've got spring tension. Hang on, let's take that thing off the side. I've got spring tension there. We've got the cam action system, which is this thing here. I've decided I didn't like them, but I've changed my mind. They're all right. They're okay in small doses, I suppose. They're all right. Well, they've got to be all right, innit? Because I bought two. Duh. Honey. I'm still single. Nobody wants me. Who's not gonna want you, Michelle? You're fucking gorgeous, bruv, and you fit as fucking it. But apparently I'm ugly. Yeah. At least I've got a fully furnished house. And I've got stuff in my house, mate. Do you know what I mean? So as you sit up partying in your fucking kitchen all night on your own. Mr. Lonely, I have nobody. Shame that didn't go in him. Well, I like that, mate, won't you? I have nobody for my own. Ooh, I'm so lonely. Sits on a TikTok live, everyone, with one person watching him. Yeah, what a saddo. What a saddo. Absolute freak of nature. Anyways, let's continue. I've got a gold one. I've got a gold one. Oh my god, I've got a gold one. 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 Cellar to left front. Stop staring from my window, you packy cunt. Getting sick of you. Fuck off. Don't care, this is Scotland. We can say what we want down here. Keep staring from me fucking window every day. What do you want, a picture of me ass? I'll stand there like Beyonce next if you want. Yeah, talk to you. Wanker. Just because you're in Scotland, don't think you'll fucking own the place, bud, because you don't. Piss off. Border control was obviously closed that day. What a shame. Right. Oh, hang on. Got me fucking knife. I'm not racist, my darlings. It's just Amy pisses me off. Do you know what I mean, bro? Pisses me off. Who's she fucking looking at? Got another person watching me now. Piss off. Slag. Got another person now. Fuck you, you fucking bitch. You're not having me, love. I'm gay. I like cock. This woman's just like opened the curtains, just like, just she saw me. You're not having me, love. Sorry. I'm not taken, but you know, I will be one day. By my Leonardo DiCaprio. Oh, fuck it up. Leonardo DiCaprio, darling, I'd let you face fuck me all night long. I would. I never want to go. I wouldn't as well. Oh my god, bruv, look at this. Oh wow. Oh, it's been damaged. What the fuck? Oh, we've got 3 distinct scratch marks on this now. What? Oh, it's damaged in the transport. Oh, for fuck's sake. Can't have anything nice. Nope, I can't. Leave my door closers alone. Fucking bastard. It's got like this protective coating on it, which is pretty cool. It's a gold one. It's a gold one. Come on, out you come, out of the bag. Get out the bag. Oh, here we are. She's come loose. Ready? Numgarim Legosa. Oh my god, God. Oh my god. Wow. Look at that beauty. Damn. Fucking hell. That's carat gold, my darlings. It really is. Is there diamonds in there? Oh, it's all been scratched. No fucking way, bruv. How has that been scratched like that? Oh, that's a shame. How's that happened? That is a shame, isn't it? That is a right shame. Look at that, guys. Damage on transport. Oh. I'll have to call them up and say it's been damaged. It's damaged. It's damaged. Oh dear. What a shame. Oh well, is it damaged anymore? Hopefully not. We'll give it a clean. Oh, she looks absolutely gorgeous. She really does. She looks lovely. Look at this one. It's heavy. This one's heavy, bruv. Look at that. Doesn't she look gorgeous? What we got on this one? Spring tension, delayed action. We've got everything. Spring tension, delayed action, back check, closing speed, and spring tension. Fucking hell, you got everything in this one. You haven't got that many options on that one. Yeah, this is heavy. This is heavy, bruv. This is heavy. This is heavy duty. Heavy. Shall we see what it does? You ready? Is it even all the way up? Oh, it does, but it snaps. This one goes either way. It's bisexual. So I don't want to push the arm too far because it goes either way so it can't break. But here we go. Oh! It's a bit fucking aggressive, isn't it, my darlings? Bit aggressive, sweetheart. Bit aggressive. Bit aggressive. Oh, look, I had the fucking devil demonic thing scratch me last night. Look at that scratch on my arm. Won't leave me alone. Why can't it just leave me alone? I know. Travis Watson, if you're watching me, darling, take me. I missed you. Come to Scotland. Me and Travis Watson got quite close. We did. Years ago. Didn't we, Travis, darling? We did. And what have I done to my hand? Cut my hand. I cut my hand as well. Mirare denore, I cut my hand. Oh. It's a shame it's all got scratched up. I'll have to tell him about that. But it's all been scratched. Don't fucking believe that. Don't believe it. How does that happen? How does that... Oh, hang on. Hang on a moment. Hang on a moment, guys. We might be okay. Hang on. We might be alright. It's got this protective skin on it. Hang on. Aha. Hang on, hang on, hang on, hang on. It's got this protective layer on it. That's over the top of the metal. So I might be able to... yeah. Oh, that's alright then. It's only marked the fucking plastic. So I might be able to take the plastic off. Yeah. It's got this layer of like plastic over it. Which is supposed to stop it rusting, I presume. But that's pretty cool if you think about it. And it looks lovely. It's a shame it's all been fucking damaged, isn't it? It is. Trying to find where the fucking... This will take a long time. Basically, it's been damaged in transport. I'm going to sue every to high heaven, you fucking horrible cunts. How dare you damage me door closer? Look at it, look at that. How can I put that on the door now? How can I put that on the door now? I can't fucking put that on the door for shit. I can't put that on the fucking door. I can't put that on the fucking door. I look at a place. That's a shame. Oh, forgot his name now. Is it Tony or is it Troy? I forgot your name. Sorry. Forgot it again today. Not being rude. I forgot your name. Is it Terry? Oh, Tony. Tony? Oh, I don't fucking know. Henry. Terry? Is it Terry? Terry, Tony or Fred? Sorry, I forgot. Oh, go away, Gusty. You're not welcome in me fucking video. You're dead. I'm not interested. I know you tried to pull me out of my bed last night when I was asleep, but fuck off. Do me a favour and fuck off. You're dead. You fucking horrible, demonic, demon, parasite, ghost. You're not welcome in me home. Fuck off. Your mum's an ape. Sorry, this poltergeist really just pissed me off. It moved me medication around this morning, bruv. It really did. It pissed me off. I woke up this morning to my quetiapine and it was in the fucking kitchen. I went to bed last night and it weren't in the fucking kitchen, bruv. My quetiapine should have been in my bedroom and it weren't. Yeah, so I got angry this morning. It's been playing with my medication and all. And then it scratched my arm because it's not happy with me being on meds. Is it, you fucking dead prick? Whoever you are. The next time you tell me to die in the bath, I'm going to get me knife out. Oh, you wanker! Fuck off! See, it's near me now. Just come touch the sofa. Fuck off, bastard! Yeah, it just literally touched my book. Excuse me 2 seconds. Slightly off topic, I know. Is it you last night that was creeping about outside my bedroom door at 2:30 in the morning? That was, wasn't it? Yeah, thought so. Cunt. Fuck you, mum. Like Yvette Fielding says on Most Haunted, you shouldn't antagonise ghosts. Well, I don't give a fuck. It's haunted me for years. I'm sick of it now. Marks all me things, bruv. Does that to my things. Marks everything that I own. Can't have anything. I really can't. Can't buy anything brand new without it getting damaged or broken within a week without me buying it. Didn't even touch that then. Oh, leave my door closers alone, you heard. I know you're dead, but I'll knock you out with a fucking case. I'll open all the windows so you get sucked out in a vacuum. I will. You think I'm joking? I'll get the Ghostbusters round and they'll fucking kill you and exterminate you at the same time, cunt. Spilt me fucking tea everywhere then. And a fucking bastard just across the road lives for me. He literally stares into my windows every day, bruv. He's going to get the egg treatment soon at the window. He's got 4 eggs at his window. I am. Don't give a fuck. The other people moved out. Yeah, the other people moved out. They were nosy bastards. They got the egg treatment and they moved. Can't stand nosy neighbours. That fucking just... I think it's Terry. Isn't it Terry? Hello, Terry Madelli. If I got it wrong, sorry, I'm stupid and got ambidextrous. I'm ambidextrous Madelli. But yeah, I got these neighbours that come from Africa that just fucking stare in my windows all the time and it pisses me off. They have the window wide open. Out of all of them across the road, apart from me, they have all the curtains closed and are like courteous and respectful of other neighbours. But no, these cunts just like to seem they own the fucking avenue. Well, they're not owning the avenue at all, no. What did you do at Christmas time, Michelle? Well, I got sick of them staring, so I put my disco light outside and pointed it at their house. I did. Their window became a disco ball. Yeah, it's fucking hilarious. So that's my door closes, my darling. I'm sorry, I went off topic then. Sorry. It's my door closes, my darling. Oh, didn't they look lovely? Look like machine guns, didn't they? Say that to little friend! Hang on. Lovely. That's going to look lovely around my new boyfriend's head once I've knocked him out and said I'm not gay. Not really, I'm joking. Lovely, isn't it? I could be on a commercial for QVC. Latching speed. closing speed, delayed action, spring tension. Spring tension. Oh, I've seen it on fucking TikTok ages ago. When they do an impression of women and they say, can someone give me an ayo? But yeah, it was absolutely gorgeous. Does this actually fit this one? Shall we see? Probably not. I'm off urban exploring today. I am. I'm going to an abandoned building in Edinburgh. That'll be interesting. Will be. See what sights I can see. Hang on. Oh my god, it fits, bruv. No way, it fits. Oh, okay. I just got myself a new shell then. Silver and gold. I've got a new song coming out next week. Silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. The new gay version, silver and gold, has never looked so good on doors. Silver and gold, silver and gold, silver and gold. Right, I'm going to show you my solid core door closers because they're absolutely fucking amazing, but darling, really are. Let me just put this behind my sofa now. Put it behind my sofa, bruv, because underneath my bed's full up. Can't believe that. Can't fucking believe that, bruv. All that money I spent on that £180 and it's fucking like that. Excuse me 2 seconds. So who wants me, bruv? Who wants to date me, my darlings? I'm single. I've been single 7 years. I need a tall, hung, sexy, skinny man. I need him to look after me. I need him to spoil me. And Michelle will be a happy girl. She will. I do look absolutely gorgeous. I do. I stopped all the drugs and I look fucking amazing. I really do. My body is fit as fuck. I'm proud of myself. And I eat more now. I'm going to the gym. I look after myself. Oh, look, my ribs are fucking like they're disappearing. Oh, it's so good. It feels so good and healthy. It's amazing what happens when you look after yourself. Mind, body and spirit. Oh, this absolute pleb said this one day. I'm trying to think now what he said. Something is a healthy mind, he said. But I forgot what he said. Oh well. Plebend, I'll call him. Plebend. Oh, it looks lovely. I can't believe what that fucking retarded recluse fucking Keir Starmer's done to everyone in the UK, taking all the benefits away. Well, I ain't in Scotland. Fucking horrible cunt. Who does he think he is? Honestly, who does he think he is? Horrible man. People with severe learning disabilities, like myself, like, taking benefits away and letting people like us suffer. What a horrible cunt. Absolute horrible cunt. Horrible bastard. Yeah. I thought I could hear the poltergeist then dragging someone over my carpet. That's what I hear normally, yeah. This building is haunted because I hear like dragging sounds in the hallway. And I'm just like, oh God. I've had dreams where I've murdered my ex. I have. But yeah, it wasn't that. I just heard noises. Heard the noises. I did. I heard a noise. I heard a noisy. I'm nearly finished. I know this video is long. I do apologise. But I'm fit as fuck and I need to get laid. Grindr blocked me. Grindr cop blocked me, so this is the only chance I got in life, all right? If some beautiful skelly tall hungmen see me out and about, and I've got a boy racer car and want me to suck you off, oh, I will. We won't tell the girlfriends. Our little secret. Oh, I need a boy racer skelly man in my life. Fucking oh, buff. Let him stand on my face all night long. Oh, and sniff his socks and lick his feet. Right. Let's show you the solid core door closer, my darlings. Where is it? It's there somewhere. Oh, where is the solid core door closer? I think it's in my cupboard. Oh. Back in a second, guys. It's in my cupboard. Are you ready, ladies and gentlemen? Sorry to keep you waiting, my darlings. Look at this. Well, look at this. See, I saved the best till last. Doesn't that absolutely look beautiful? Yes, it does. Just the door closer, Doctor. Tell me what you think. Doesn't it look absolutely lovely? Oh, I don't give a fuck. I'm going to show his window because he pisses me off. There you are. There's the tosser that... No, not that one, that one. There's the tosser that stares at me every day. No, fuck off. Stop staring through my windows. So yeah, oh, doesn't look absolutely gorgeous. It really does. Solid core. I'm going to buy 5 million of these. Look how nice that looks. Honestly. Look at that. That is beautiful. Giovanni, my darling. Doesn't it look lovely? Oh. That deserves to be called the crown jewels. That does. I know. Let's take it off. Got this one from Gumtree a while ago. Got this about 6 months ago. Oh, it's just lovely. It's so beautiful. The finish, guys. I mean, I can't tell you how nice the finish is on this. It's luxury. Like when you feel it, it just feels, it feels so good. Like the quality of it, it just feels beautiful. You know what I mean? Feels lovely. If they ever demolish Edinburgh Council blocks, I'll be straight down there. I'll be like, hello, I'm doing a door closer project. I'd like the door closers. Hang on. Oh, it's stiff. Oh, it's bloody stiff. Might have to make it so bloody stiff. Bloody stiff. So bloody stiff. Made out of the knot. Feels like 15 people trying to fight me. Oh. Lovely. Careful, that might take my hand off. It might do. Oh, it looks lovely. Oh, it's beautiful. It really is. So what we got there? We've got closing speed. We've got latching speed. Those two regulators there. Then we've got spring tension. Oh, yes. We've got spring tension. But it's too bloody hard. It reminds me of my ex's cock. Hang on. Still bloody stiff. Would you stop being weird? Please. You're weirding me out. Why did you do that for? Then you got some retarded recluse called Penelope tries to come for the door. Leave the door open, Mark. Why does the door keep closing? Leave the fucking door open. Leave it open. Why is it closing? Well, we got a ghost here then, haven't we? Oh, I'm going to do a funny door closer today where I'm breaking one of my new door closers, like a small little one. Don't panic, it's not going to be a special door closer. But I'm going to put it on my door. It's going to be fucking hilarious, bruv. So, yeah. Just can't stop laughing thinking about it. I'm going to hang on it. I'm going to set it on fire. I'll force the door open. I'm going to force the door closed about 200 million times and see how much I can break it. See you in the next one, guys. Bye.